7 exercises every man should avoid. The fitness library has a ton of excellent exercises. There are also a lot of bad exercises too. Most likely, you already engage in some of them. Have you ever experienced ache after working out, whether it was in your shoulders or lower back? It seems, however, that the source of that agonizing ache may not be your workout technique. The workout itself is at fault. You'd be shocked, we bet. It appears that some of your workouts still exist even if they are inaccurate, since they have been passed down from one gym kid to another. So, here are 7 workouts that men should completely avoid. Keep in mind that ladies should also refrain from performing these workouts. 1. Crunches. As much as you might wish that crunches would give you the abs you've always desired, doing them is really harmful for your spine. Crunches cause back and neck problems by curling the spine inward. Do planks instead. 2. Leg extension machines. Though certain workout machines are fantastic for improving technique and targeting specific muscle groups, the leg extension machine isn't one of them. The leg extension machine exerts steady strain on the anterior cruciate ligament, increasing the likelihood of the kneecap sliding right or left. It also puts the most strain on the rear of the kneecap, which has the thinnest cartilage. How often do you just relax and spread your legs? Probably never, if ever. Why do it in the gym then? Leg extensions offer no practical advantages. Additionally, carrying weight at that position might injure your knees because they weren't made to support weight. If your knees are otherwise healthy, your risk of damage is modest, but why take the chance if the activity isn't really useful? 3. Supermans. A bodyweight workout called the Superman is renowned for focusing on the lower back. However, this action continually presses our lower back into an overextended position and only serves to reinforce undesirable patterns and exacerbate the pain in our backs. 4. Jumping on concrete surfaces. Basketball players avoid playing the sport on concrete floors mostly because there is a considerable risk that they may damage their kneecaps. It is obviously not good for your body or for you. 5. Barbell jump squats. Weighted plyometric workouts like the barbell jump squat may come to mind if you're looking to tone your legs and glutes. However, while performing movements like these with a barbell, you often add too much weight, which can cause stress on your back and joints. We suggest bodyweight squat jumps, box jumps, and dumbbell jump squats as an alternative to develop strength in these similar muscles. Simply learning the bodyweight jump squat or shifting the weight about will have a significant impact on how you move and save you from a lot of discomfort. 6. Hip abduction machine. The goal of this machine is to strengthen the little muscles in your hips known as your abductors, which are in charge of extending your legs away from your midline. According to trainer and weight loss consultant Rachel McPherson, who is certified by ACE, it isn't nearly as effective as other gluten exercises that engage the same muscles. Using a lopped band when squatting, hip thrusting, or deadlifting gives resistance to your abductor, she advises. If you truly intend to build good, rounded gluteus and avoid injury, it's important to work these muscles in the manner they are supposed to be used. 7. Triceps dips. Although it's intended to work your triceps, it's easy to overwork the rotator cuff muscles in your shoulder. Lifting your body weight when your upper arms are behind your torso is dangerous. When those muscles are damaged, even routine activities like shampooing your hair can become uncomfortable. To be frank, any workout that is performed incorrectly can be harmful. However, you should stay away from workouts that are performed correctly yet still put you in danger. Don't do anything that seems strange. Consider your options carefully, stick to the best workouts, and choose wisely. If you enjoyed the video, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification, and you will never miss a video from us. Thanks for watching.